guys, welcome back to our channel. My name is Dev and you are watching Life Reviewed. So today we'll be doing an unboxing of a JBL mic. So this is a JBL commercial mic which you can use for vlogging, making YouTube videos. This is something for professional things. There is other model which you can use for day-to-day things, but this one is for podcasting and all such things. So let me tell you a bit about this one. So this is the model CSLM20B. This is battery powered lavalier microphone. And let's see what's on the side. So JBL Harman branding on the side, same here. On the top it's just orange. This reminds me a lot of MI packaging. Yeah. So on the back this says about the features: omnidirectional lavalier microphone with 3.5 mm TRRS jack, so that is professional grade, perfect for recording podcast, interviews, vlogging. As I said, it's completely commercial, compatible with smartphones, and most DSLR cameras. Can be used with mixer, amplifier, extra long cable, and omnidirectional, as I said, and frequency range is 60 Hz to 18 kHz. Made in China, of course, and the MRP of this is listed as 2000, but you can get it from Amazon for around 950 rupees. Alright, let's go ahead and do the unboxing of this. Lots of yellow and white, right? Wow, nice. Okay, nothing else in the box. So right out of the box we have a coupon code and information card. This should be the user guide, yes, and contents, how to connect, etc, etc, and the contents here. All right, now nicely packed in a fiber bag, so I like that. The finishing and quality of this is really good. This is what I like about the JBL products. So at least you get assurance of quality. All right, we get something, this pouch. So this is the cover for your mic. This is a foam cover, and we get a adapter from 3.5 mm to the higher. This is for you can use in your amplifiers, so that's really thoughtful of them. So this is the clip that you will use to fasten it to your collar or anywhere, like if you are taking interviews. Good. A silica gel packet. We have a battery here, that's nice, they give the battery there. So this is the battery here. So yeah, extra long cable, as we are seeing here, quite long, you can see it yourself. They have provided another clip here and the mic here. Okay, let me just take this out and we'll see very carefully. All right, so another clip here, that's nice, and they give two of this in the box. There's the mic again, you see here. Another coil of wire here. So this is going to be really long. As I was saying, this is commercial and you can use it for, you need it to be long. All right, so JBL branding here, another clip here, you can put it, attach it to your belt or behind you, and cameras on, off, smartphone. Okay, you can select the mode, so for this camera and for this smartphone, and in between I think it's off. Can you open it? Yes. And here it is, you can put the battery here and this will be good to go. Alright guys, so that's it for today. If you have any questions, put them in the comment section below and I'll answer each and every one of you, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, stay safe and check out one of our latest videos here. Goodbye.